So we start out today's video with someone who is rocking this beautiful bright blonde pixie style. So she's going to be adding in some curls to her particular look. She has a very small curling iron here. I'd say probably like less than an inch or so, probably like half an inch. And then she's just going in and adding some curls. And this is a great way to add some texture to your hair if it's typically straight and you're looking to do something different with your strands. Very pretty. Love the fluffiness, the fullness, just absolutely gorgeous. And then she does also add in a scarf. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more hairstyle ideas. Here we have someone rocking out a gorgeous bob. I really like the subtle highlights and color that she has with this. The bob comes to around shoulder length, making it a great overall length to try out if you want to go short but not too short. Absolutely stunning. And then we move into a hair transformation. Oh, wow. Beautiful pixie bob haircut. She has this really nice feathered effect going on in the front by the bangs. Very nice. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a gorgeous color makeover. Nice face framing highlights. And then we see someone with shoulder length hair. Looks like she's going to be going shorter with a bob. Beautiful. I really like the color on this as well. So pretty. And he did end up doing an angled bob style. Just breathtaking. So then we see someone with mid-length hair. The stylist chops the hair down. Oh, she is going real short with this makeover. Wow, look at this pixie. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love the amount of volume that this has. It also features a shaven side. This is just beautiful, so pretty. So here we have someone with copper colored hair. Her hair comes about past her shoulders. Oh, look at this beautiful bob. This is absolutely gorgeous, especially with that copper hair color. There's the before and there is the after. She looks beautiful. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.